I'm about to make just some simple cupcakes. We have some events going on at work tomorrow, so I just felt like making cupcakes. So here they are. I had 2 extras, so I'm just saving this for my husband and I for dessert tonight. But I have these little American flag toothpicks, and it's not focusing. I'm just gonna put them on top when I get to work. There's not enough room to stick them into the cupcakes right now in the cupcake holder, so I'm just storing some in there. It is after the 4th of July, of course, but I wasn't at work on 4th of July, so. Anyway, so I'm gonna store these. I put the sprinkles on and everything. I'm gonna store them in the fridge until tomorrow morning and then load them up in the cupcake holder. These are available at craft stores like Michael's, Joann's Fabric, Hobby Lobby, stuff like that. And I'm sure on Amazon too. But yeah, they've got like at this little top. I love it. I use this so much. Anyway, thank you for watching.